Welcome to Cyprus, where history and nature intertwine in the most unexpected ways. Today, our journey takes us to the submerged ruins of the Church of St. Nicholas near the Kouris Reservoir. This church, once a vibrant part of the village of Alassa, now stands as a silent sentinel, partially submerged due to the construction of the Kouris Dam in the 1980s. Built in 1929 and restored in 1960, the Church of St. Nicholas was a cornerstone of the Alassa community. However, with the decision to build the Kouris Dam to harness the waters of three rivers, the village was relocated, and the church was left to the mercy of the rising waters. Today, during the dry summer months, the ruins are completely visible, allowing visitors to walk through its remnants. But come winter, when the rains fill the reservoir, only the church tower peaks above the water's surface, creating an eerie yet captivating sight. Speaking of the Kouris Reservoir, it's the largest artificial lake in Cyprus, created to address the island's water needs. The dam's construction led to the submergence of the old Alassa village, but it also paved the way for the discovery of significant archaeological finds, including the largest palace of the late Bronze Age in the area. These artifacts, now housed in the Archaeological Museum of the Limassol district, shed light on Cyprus's rich and ancient history. On a serene winter day, the reservoir mirrors the overcast sky, creating a tranquil and reflective landscape. Local lore even speaks of sightings of a mysterious creature, dubbed the Loch Ness of Cyprus, in these waters. While its existence remains unproven, it adds a touch of mystery to this already enchanting place. The transformation of this landscape is a testament to Cyprus's ability to blend its historical heritage with modern necessities. The submerged church serves as a poignant reminder of the past, while the reservoir represents progress and adaptation. As we take in this unique juxtaposition, it's worth noting that the new village of Alassa, established nearby, continues to honor its heritage with the newly built Church of St. Nicholas, ensuring that traditions endure even as times change. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Cyprus's hidden gems. If this journey intrigued you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures into the world's most fascinating places. Until next time, keep discovering the stories that lie just beneath the surface.